So we're down here in Eltham in southeast London. This is another project we're starting this morning. So what we're going to be doing on this project is brick cleaning all of the brickwork. Going to be using a doff machine on this, so just a nice mild brick clean, cutting out and replacing all of the damaged bricks that have been infilled in cement over the past and not been cut out and repaired properly. Up on the first elevation, same sort of thing again, be cutting out, replacing all of the spoiled and damaged bricks. The arch above the bay is going to have to be taken down and rebuilt. There's a lot of movement through here, it's completely dropped in the middle, so we'll have to take down that, rebuild that. Up on the next elevation, we noticed this morning while the lads are getting everything prepped up, the parapet coping stones have slipped down from the top of the roof line, so the parapet's really unsafe. A lot of the bricks have all moved, and this is going to need taking down and rebuilding, rebedding the coping stones, maybe some new lead flashing up with the side. Massive crack going through the pebble dash there as well, so we're going to have to take this off, take the cast iron pipe off, see what's going on underneath here, get some heli bars in there. Same sort of thing over this side, quite a bit of cracking going through the pebble dash over here in the corner, so we'll have to investigate what's going on in here. Repoint that chimney stack and cap it off, that's not working anymore. Get some extra scaffolding and repoint that chimney stack, and then decoration work to stonework and all of the woodwork up here, get all that decorated on the gable there, and then show the customer some samples. I think we're definitely going to be tuck pointing all the arches how they originally was. You still see all the original tuck pointing on all the arches, so definitely tuck pointing all of the arches. Still got the original tuck on the original parts of the brickwork there as well, so the original backing mortar and the original ribbons. So whether the customer has it full tuck pointed or penny roll finish or flush, whatever the customer wants to go for. We do all the collar joints all around the windows, quite big collar joints around the bay here. Looks like it's definitely moving a little bit on the piers here as well, so get all the collar joints done all around the windows. Got a real big thick cement collars coming all the way down there, so we'll make all of them good as well. We've got some work to do at the back of the house as well. So yeah, we'll show you some more progress once we get stuck into this. Do a good week's work here and we'll show you some more progress how we're all getting on. So this is going to be another project finished at a high standard, going to look really good once it's all finished. And if you've got any questions or you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'll be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much.